This has turned into another record-setting fire season.
Now the largest in state history.
Really, there's no end in sight.
Climate change is getting worse, and there could be serious consequences for our planet in the next 20 years.
The ocean is the most undiscovered thing in the universe. We know more about space than our own ocean. The ocean makes up more than half of Earth's surface. And species like phytoplankton are responsible for about 70% of Earth's oxygen. Without the ocean and all the species that lay within, the world would not be able to survive. And the sad thing is, we are ruining it, causing the rest of the world to suffer.
It's hot, it's dry, it's windy.
This is the most common used plastic chemical in the world, responsible for nearly everything plastic on the planet. It is modified to not be able to naturally be damaged, causing it to pile up over time and not go anywhere. A new study found that by 2015, humans had produced 6.3 billion metric tons of plastic waste. It is in fact true that these factors are playing into the role of climate change, heating up the Earth's atmosphere, ultimately destroying it slowly. Out of the 50 billion plastic water bottles humans buy every year, 80% of them end up in our oceans, not including all the other plastic bags, straws, and other sea trash. With help from companies such as Hydro Flask, Final Straw, and other reusable alternatives for the everyday consumer, they help decrease the amount of trash being produced annually, and they do that by giving you the opportunity to do so individually. They are one of few teams that take the proceeds from their bracelets and turn them into help to clean the oceans. These bracelets are made from recycled ocean trash, ultimately cleaning up the ocean. It not only takes these companies, but it takes every single person to make a change on this planet. It's not over, and we only get to call this place home for so much longer. We all must work together, because alone will be impossible, but if everyone takes a second and shifts their thinking from the norm, then we could have a shot. And if we don't, we might not be able to call this place home for much longer.
Climate change is getting worse, and there could be serious consequences for our planet in the next 20 years.